Here's a short way to explain what happened to the systems and what made them crash. Okay, so say this is your desktop and you're on your desktop and you've got a search box, you've got your enter button, you've got all this stuff on your desktop. And the background processes, all of this goes into a log that keeps everything a certain way. But thing about logs are, a log, when it writes down an error, it crashes. I'll give you an example. Um, let's go back here and look. Here's an example of a log file that I have. And this log is for the 3D image that you're looking at on the screen. So you see this real fast? You see all the letters that are orbiting right there? Well, if I go over here and I write the wrong thing, like if I delete this comma and I save it, yes. When I save it, guess what happens? Now, oh, hold on real fast, I did that wrong. I didn't do it the way I did it. Well, even though I did that, it still worked. But if I take 2 commas, let's see if that messes it up. Okay, it still works. These are things I do to figure out what the real problem is. All right, let's try something different. Let's put a question mark there. It doesn't work. Okay, you see how I put that question mark there? Well, there goes your blue screen of death right there. That's what caused the blue screen of death, is having something that is written in that log that messed up everything. And it's easy to find it if you know what you're looking for. Once you identify it, you delete it, you save it, and then voila, fixes that blue screen of death. And most of you are all trying to figure out how to fix that. So all of you developers need to pass that information along. It's in the log, and there's probably some kind of symbol or something that's been written down. Another one it could be is a lot of you don't know how to write a logger correctly. I wrote my logger differently, so in order for my logger to actually activate and do things, it has to answer a certain specific question through a label that's from the input box. So you gotta fix your input box, you gotta fix your action page, you gotta fix your log, and then it fixes. That's why we keep on getting these glitches and blue screens of deaths.